we will be unboxing this Vita Extract Slow Juicer. It's the filter. Heavy. This is the base. And you have to picture. This is the base unit where the motor is, and this is the juice drum. And this is the lid, the pusher, container for juice. You have two. And this is a sorbet insert piece. And the strainer. You have two types of strainer. One for fine and one for coarse.
To insert the juice drum to the base unit, just locate the arrow at the back of the base and the arrow located at the juice drum, and slide it towards the lock icon. I actually like this machine. Very easy to use, easy to clean too, and it's not difficult to assemble. I made a few juices already. Perfect!